Kamara's drone services provide quality video and stills images covering a wide range of applications. Our CAA-approved pilots will provide a professional service throughout, and we work with forward-thinking Lincolnshire business owners and managers who are looking to make an impact in their industry sector, and for whom value is more important than price. Footage and imagery from our drones can cover a wide variety of applications, from roof inspections to site overviews, health and safety, or simply to provide a unique perspective of your business. Although we do not carry out detailed inspections in environments requiring intrinsic safety, we have links with some extremely experienced specialist operators who can deliver this service, often saving literally thousands of pounds in scaffold and rope access costs. Our roof inspections often remove the need for personnel working from height and access platforms, etc. And they're a fast and safe way of carrying out initial inspections of suspected problematic areas, or to support any regular inspection schedules you may have. We can also fly indoors, providing the space allows, and we often carry out flights as part of internal audits for companies in the aviation sector. We use our drones as part of our armoury when shooting promotional videos, along with a number of mini-cam options, providing unique angles and perspectives of your product, facility or process. And they're particularly useful for site overviews on our induction videos. Although we specialise in industry, transport, general hoverbank business and construction, we can provide regular progress coverage for construction projects, including time-lapse and previously flown flight paths. Shots for company reports and real estate are also perfectly suited to drone photography and filming. And if your drone flight is part of a larger project, we can of course simply keep the footage on our servers until ready for inclusion on the final edit. To find out more, simply visit our Contact Us page and someone will be in touch with you, or simply give us a call.